I'm Philip B., founder and formulator of Philip B. Botanicals. As Hollywood's go-to hair treatment expert, I create the world's finest botanically driven hair and scalp solutions that free you from your hair concerns so you can live your best life. Nature has always been my guide, so I spent years researching medicinal plants and traveling the world to find the best ingredients. In 1987, I began developing formulas in my West Hollywood home to tackle hair and scalp issues directly. Not everything from nature is good for you, and not all synthetics are bad. It's a thoughtful, artful, and responsible blend of both that leads to a remarkable product and result. Great hair comes from a great scalp, and a combination of science plus nature is the answer. My first product, Rejuvenating Oil, wowed clients with its ability to transform dry, damaged hair just after one use. Following that success, I launched Peppermint and Avocado Shampoo, a revolutionary formula that leaves your scalp feeling fresh, tingly clean, and revived. It became a global bestseller, a status that still holds today. We continue to break the mold with harmonious, high-grade botanical blends that go far beyond the industry standards. Every Philip B product is inspired by real people and their hair and scalp issues and concerns. Seeing how our products transform lives is why I do this. Beautiful hair is your best accessory, and a great hair day makes you feel beautiful, confident, revived, and alive. We welcome you to experience the Philip B difference.